I would equate what you're doing with essentially asset management, right? Like
It's a different type of asset management.
so that's inherently the problem is people have thought about asset management as a physical asset that they're trying to manage, and it generated initially again from a financial side, right? Trying to figure out what assets I had, what's the cost over a long term, how do I financially account for that? What it moved into was an IT problem that was never really accounted for fully, and people said, well, we can't fix it, so we're just going to live with what we have, and you get an 80%, right? And that's good enough. But security guys came in and said, that's not good enough. I need to know the entire asset inventory that I have so I can actually protect and defend against it, right? And so I can know when I have an issue that I have to go address. And I think this is where, we've extended assets from physical assets to temporal assets to APIs to identity. And I think this is the same thing. It's like, what's your software inventory asset and what are the components that you're using that create that full inventory you're looking for?
That's right. And so one of the other, I guess, analogies we've used here is existing asset inventory solutions are essentially, the way to think about them would be like a network intrusion detection system. We are solving the asset inventory problem from the host intrusion detection system perspective. So I've used that analogy a bunch of times, right? If you have a network intrusion detection system, do you just not install endpoint security? Yeah, we just don't even bother. No one says that. That's exactly the kind of narrative. And if you think about the prioritization of security controls and environments, everybody knows critical security control number 1, asset inventory. Nobody can name critical security control number 2, and these are in priority order. It's software inventory. Malware defense is number 8, but everybody has an antivirus, and no one can produce a true software inventory. No one.